We are still exploring the Besly repository. Today I want to have a look at this one here, TutorialFinder, because the Besly guides over the years have written a lot of tutorials. I don't know how up to date they are because there's been a lot of developments, but let's have a look. And of course you can just go to their website and find what you're looking for, but this is an alternative way of getting that information. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, look at that. Admin, activate. What does that do? Oh, I don't have an admin password, so I don't know why I need that. Alright, so okay, so a lot of this stuff, it just goes to the website. A lot of the stuff is in German. Here you see the little flag. Oh, that's very old. Go be productive. Whoa. Okay, that's not the app's fault. You know, it's the website that there's an article on the now obsolete PKG package format, but I don't see anything on the HPKG format that has replaced it. So I reckon there and some on Zeta. Okay, look, it's an interesting idea, but I think the website maintenance is 10-15 years behind the times now. So yeah, I don't think I can recommend this one as it stands. You know, you can still find good ideas there. Wonderbrush hasn't changed that much. So yeah. But I don't think you're going to get really up-to-date news here. Yeah. Check it out in another year and then we can reconsider. Thanks for watching.